Hey guys, this is Raghav and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to play some Fortnite with my brother.
Hi guys, this is Atisha and my YouTube channel name is Funky Monkey, and please subscribe to my brother's channel and my channel as well.
Yep, and so as you guys know that finally Aquaman skin is here. So we are going to wear that only. Okay, so Aquaman. Okay, here's our Aquaman. Okay, back bling will be Supreme Shell. Trident, okay.
Okay, should I be this Aquaman? Okay guys, suggest in the comments down below. Should I be this Aquaman? I mean the shirtless Aquaman or the Aquaman with the shirt?
Yep, and also comment down that if you have Aquaman. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna share my locker with you.
And if any one of you has even
Okay.
bought the Black Manta skin, please comment down below.
Okay, so these are my skins. Okay, up Deadpool with all the styles. No, wait,
What happened?
I have a mistake choosing the Deadpool. Okay, so Deadpool with all his styles. Fade with one style. Okay, so Fade with his one style. This one. And Midas with all his styles. Now Sickles 2. And Kit with 1. Jules with all. Brutus with all. Peely with all. Ocean also all. Scuba Jonesy also all. Sky only 2. TNTina only 2. And these 2 skins. Okay, so the back bling will be Supreme Shell and these are my back blings. Okay, and pickaxes are these with all styles. Okay, gliders. Okay. And contrail, this much I have.
Yeah, bro.
And these
so
emoticons and sprays and emotes.
where do we go?
Okay, so today we are gonna jump in the duos match only. And so where we are landing?
I think we can go to. Holly Edges.
Okay, so Holly Hatch is done. Okay, let's do some emotes.
I have completed all of the challenges, like the week 1 to 5 challenges. I
Me
think
too.
only one of
No,
them is left.
for week 5, 2 are left for me. How much for you?
For me, I think only one. No, wait, there are 2 left. One for searching ammo boxes at Fortilla, and one for searching chests at Sweaty Sands.
Okay, so as this is my first video, so I'm gonna do one thing. If I will die in this, match in top 20, 10 or 30, then I will stop my video there only. And if I will die in top 50 and all, then I will play one more match, and the thing will be repeated. Okay, so we are going to Holly Edges now.
Okay, now Aquaman is gonna leave his mark right here. Hey, Aquaman for
I'm the
life.
emoticon.
Yeah, and guys, if you haven't watched the Aquaman's movie, I would suggest you to. It's really cool movie.
That's really cool.
All the struggle and all is really cool.
Yep. And the Black Manta in the movie is so cool. Okay.
Yeah, that's like the coolest part in it.
Let's thank the bus driver. Okay, I thanked him.
I also thanked him. You know, guys, if you thank the bus driver again and again in most of the matches,
Yeah, then you will complete one
the
punch card. The good manners
named
one.
Good Manners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, also comment down that if you have this thing, battle pass, and if you are the Sionica too. I think it's a good drop. No one is coming.
Yeah. You know, most of the time me and Raghav come here, it's like we own the holly hedges.
Yeah. Okay,
like
so
if there are
so
even
two
some
of
them
no
people.
4 or 2 of them are coming. Okay, so I'm
Yeah,
going
that-
in this house. You go in this,
I'm going in this house. This is my favorite house. Because
and this one is
you
my
can just
favorite.
land right here and you'll get a chest.
Yeah, same here.
And it's
You guys also comment that if you completed these things,
Oh
the
my God,
week 5
there-
challenges, and you
there are
have
toys
juice.
right here.
What toys? What type of toys?
I mean, wait, there's someone. Let me see what's up. Don't try to interfere in my house.
Okay, I have one
Got
submachine for you.
I have a pistol and a tag.
I have a pistol
Let's see
and
where
2
his
grey
teammate
subs.
is. Do you have anything? Oh no, his teammate's gonna kill me. I'm low on
Okay,
health.
wait, I'm coming. Oh
I'm
no,
dead.
I think we have to continue our video.
No, Raghav, you can make it.
That guy's fighting
He's
with someone now.
fighting with someone. Yeah, that guy's already fighting with someone. Oh my god, did you kill him?
Yep.
Revive me quick, otherwise you'll have to take my reboot card. Quick. Yeah. Oh my god, you're reviving me on 1 HP.
Yeah, I know. And 2 guys are already spectating me.
Yeah, I have.
So let's dab for them. Okay, so take this one mini. I only have one.
There's one guy spectating me.
Dab. Take this. A grey sub.
Can
Take
I
a
have the
grey sub.
submachine?
Yeah. Take a grey sub.
You take the submachine, I already have one.
No, I also have. Okay, I will take it. No problem.
Take it just. Okay, there's one more guy, but I'm low on health, so I don't know what to do.
And I have no ammo in my burst.
Should I go and attack?
Yeah, let's go. I think he's one. What? He died?
No. Someone else.
Okay, I am in this house. There's one. Okay. He's behind this grass.
I'm using bandages, bro. Wait.
I need this chest.
Yes,
Bro is coming. Okay, wait. I have a chug splash. Let's take it.
Shit, bro, that guy saw me.
Okay, there's one XP coin. A blue one.
Where?
Let's take it. Okay, I got it. No. Okay, finally I got it. Okay, he's coming. Wait, where he is?
He's in the house. Saw him.
Okay, I'm going from back. He's on the top.
Holy cow. Got him.
Okay. That was easy.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one chest. Let's take it.
Can I search it?
Okay, come. That's not breaking. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, you
Do
come.
you want the assault?
No, I have a green one.
I also have. No.
Can I take the blue pistol?
Okay, take it.
Okay, let's run. The storm is coming. Okay, so we have to run.
Okay, there's one more just.
Okay, so we are in top 30. Someone is here, I think. I think so. No one
Why
is here.
do you see footsteps?
No,
Then?
this is my build only.
Oh my god, yes. Okay, my god.
Bro, I'm glitching.
And if you guys play Fortnite like most of the time at night, not most of the time, like
Every day.
frequently, then you must, yeah, frequently you must know that whirlpools are gone from the game.
And
And
Atlantis
there's
is coming.
just this giant whirlpool there.
And
Yeah,
Atlantis
you
also
see
coming.
this giant whirlpool.
And guys,
There is one giant whirlpool.
I think in the Atlantis the boss is Black Manta.
Yeah. Okay guys, it's just a joke, okay, never mind. Doesn't Black Manta sound like Fanta?
Yeah, Black Fanta.
Yeah.
Instead of orange, Black Fanta.
Yeah, that it is so. Bro, come to the safe zone.
Tisha, from which season you are playing?
I am playing from season 10.
I'm playing from season 7, but I don't know what happened in season 7. Because I only played 2 or 4 days only in season 7. Mainly I'm playing from chapter 2 season 2. And guys, this is funny, but I actually got my first kill in season 2 of chapter 2.
Bro, you'll get some XP. See, where I am, I am at the Purple
Okay.
Steel Bridge.
There is one shark.
You come here, you will get some XP naming new location discovered. There's this Purple Steel Bridge again from season 10. No, wait, not season 10. Chapter 2 came back. If you
Oh no,
guys
shark!
played
I think
chapter
shark.
two, comment
Oh
down
no!
below.
Oh no! Shark is just behind me. Atisha, let's run to the safe zone.
Yeah, I mean,
And shark
I have
is
to
just
swim 'cause
behind
I'm
me.
in the boat.
Oh. Okay.
Guys,
Sharky,
nowadays
go away.
I have noticed something that when you find sharks in the water, you don't have to feed them items. You find most of them like
Legendary.
already legendary.
Yeah, and epic also.
Yeah.
But the legendary one don't drop legendary weapons.
Yeah.
They only
the
drop the-
legendary one drops grey weapons.
No, the legendary one drops this thing. The purple one, the epic weapons. The shark is still following me.
Cause one time I killed the legendary shark.
Yeah, it's here.
One time I killed the legendary shark and it just gave me a grey assault rifle.
Okay, so only 17 are left.
Okay, bro. Dorados must have been here.
Bro, I'm glitching too much.
Yeah, your voice is even glitching.
Yeah, that's why. I'm stuck in one place. Okay, now it's okay. Marauders are here.
No, Morados must have been here because one build is there of Morados.
I don't understand why they build like this. To snipe or
Yeah.
what? I think to snipe from this small
Okay, see.
window type of thing.
I'm gonna try to do. Okay, I'm gonna show you a magic. I'm gonna go through the window. Ta-da!
Yeah. We are magicians.
Oh, this sucks.
That's for
See,
those who are
I'm
seeing
gonna
my
flip-
video.
Yeah.
What? A guy was knocked out by the storm.
Guys, comment down below if you have already used all the mythic weapons in this game, because they're
Yeah.
so cool.
Because we used all of them.
Yeah, like we all play squads. Sometimes, I mean, mostly we play duos only.
Yeah.
Sometimes when my friends are there, we play.
Okay, there are 3 chests in this house.
Yeah, bro, I need to search and get some XP.
Okay, can I search one?
Yeah, okay. Oh, where are the chesties?
Okay, I found one. You can take the another
Bro, do
one.
you have a blade machine?
No, bro.
If you find any, can give it to me.
There are 2 more chests.
I don't see it. I'm on the roof of the. Okay, yeah, there's one
No,
on
there
top.
is one. Yeah. You are taking
Can I
the bus?
take it?
Okay.
No, you take it.
No, you take. I have a green assault.
I also have.
So you take it. Okay.
Because I'm gonna go and loot the llama.
Oh wow, a llama.
There's a
School.
llama.
School.
I'm
Llama will
driving
give
a
you-
llama.
The launch pad. No, bro, I'm stuck. Shit. What should I do? No.
Yeah, it. Wow.
Okay, so finally.
Okay, yeah, I got a.
Okay, someone is fighting near you. Let's kill them. Yeah, let's kill them. Come. Can you hear? No, I can see.
Okay, I see him.
I see a guy.
Yeah, I see a guy right there.
Okay. Okay, they are marauders. Wait. Don't go. They are going to kill one enemy. Yeah,
Leave.
someone is fighting with them.
We'll at least get to know the people's location.
Okay, so let's
Bro, I see
kill.
some guys near the bridge.
So shoot him.
Those guys are not riders. No, I can't shoot them because
No, don't shoot.
I only have. Bro. No, why did it start taking down this guy? I'm gonna kill you, bro. Ooh. You trying to kill me? And I don't like that. Ooh. Bye. Hey!
Okay, they are down. Okay, those guys are taking boat. They are there.
Bro, don't you have a
Okay, enemy coming. And I cracked one. Oh no, shit.
what happened? Does he
I'm
have a
dead.
sniper?
Yeah, I'm dead. And one is on, I think, 150. Because I shot him 50. Yeah, just run. Go behind these marauders base. Because one of them is coming, I think. Okay, they are here. You just revive me. Okay, one is coming. Okay, that guy is down. No, not down. Oh no, we placed 4th. Okay,
Oh,
so
no.
as we are top 10, so I'm gonna end my video here. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So do press the like button and smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.